The proposition P and not P or Q is tautology, or P and Q, or P or C, or contradiction. Contradiction means always false. Tautology means always true. Let's check what happens. P and not P or Q. We will apply distributive to both is equivalent to P and not P. This is the odd symbol, we will write as it is. Now P is applied to Q. P and Q. Not P and P. See. P and not P. Sorry. P and not P. Whenever P is 1, not P will be 0, and 1 and 0 is 0. Whenever P is 0, not P will be 1, so the result is again 0. So this is going to be false, or P and Q. Now see another thing. Whenever any proposition or with 0, whenever P is 0, result will be 0. Whenever P is 1, 1 or 0, it is 1, 0 or 0, it is 0. So whatever it is in the place of P, the result will be P. So Q or 0 is also Q. So P and Q or false is equivalent to P and Q. I think B is the correct answer.